What is up everyone? We're back with Framester 14. Today's video is one of the craziest videos you've ever seen. We're about to go check out private jets, Airbus airplanes. This is the creme de la creme of aviation.
Exactly, and this is going to be one of the kick-ass videos ever. So let's go check it out.
This is crazy. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's go check out some airplanes.
One tire is 80 lakhs. Hi guys, this is Framester 14 and welcome back to another vlog. तो आज का वीडियो काफ़ी अलग होने वाला है क्योंकि हम आज सुपर कार्स या हाइपर कार्स का वीडियो नहीं बनाने जा रहे. इनफैक्ट हम जा रहे हैं द 18th एडिशन ऑफ दुबई एयर शो एट द अल मखतूम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट और एक काफ़ी बड़ा और प्रेस्टिजियस इवेंट है. एंड मुझे काफ़ी सालों से एक्चुअली एक एयर शो पे जाना था. And I in fact even love aircrafts and it comes from my dad and this is a great opportunity and in fact it's the first air show I'm ever going और काफ़ी खूबसूरत aircrafts वहाँ पे रहने वाले हैं. And thanks to my friend we have got the VVIP passes to the event. तो चलिए जाते हैं वहाँ पे. काफ़ी excited हूँ. It's about 45-minute drive. So guys, we have entered the venue. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे already आ चुके हैं. And today is actually the last day. This was like a 5-day event. यहाँ पे actually कुछ तो air shows पर stunts वगैरह चालू है. वहाँ पे आप smoke देख सकते हो. वहाँ पे बाप रे बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ हैं. ओह ऊपर दिख रहा है. Wow, so cool. Check that out. Guys, we are entering the Royal Pavilion. Guys, we are at the event finally, and we are at the section of all the private jets. So we have a few over here. We have the Global 7500 right behind, with this beautiful paint job as you can see of like a nardo grey. We have the specifications of this aircraft right here. Look at the speed. It has a top speed of 982 kilometers an hour. That's madness, guys. Over here we have the Gulfstream G500, one of the best selling private jets. Guys, we have the Airbus A380 right behind us, which is world's largest passenger aircraft. And this is the first time I'm actually getting this close to the aircraft. It's just mega, guys. Like, I've seen it at the airport, I've seen it up in the sky, but being so close to this. Over here we have the Emirates Airbus A380-800. We have the huge engines over here right behind my head. Guys, comment down below what you think is the price of each tire of an Airbus A380. Let me give it to you. It costs 18 lakh rupees, guys. Like one tire is 80 lakhs. And let's count the number of tires we have. So we have 2 in the front, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 tires on a A380, that's crazy. Oh, here we have Etihad's Dreamliner, which is like one of the most fuel efficient aircrafts in the world. We have the F-35 jet. So loud. Once it crosses you, then you can hear it. Like light is faster than sound. It's the classic example for that. Here we have the Dubai police car, we have the Bentley Continental GT, and we have the Dubai civil defense car that belongs to the fire department. We have the Corvette. have the two Lucids. Guys, we have the Lucid Air over here at the Riyadh Air stall. You can see this beautiful livery on this Boeing. And we have the Air, some stunt shows that have started. So let's go and have a look over there. Just crazy the amount of skill these pilots have. Like the 6 fighter jets, for like about 10 minutes they are in the same sequence, in the same pattern, and they have not moved even like a centimeter, guys. I mean, the precision is just next level. Now, oh wow. So now they did a little guys. Over here we are at the Emperor stall. So guys, behind us we have the Emperor Profit Hunter E2, and the range of this aircraft over here is 4,800 kilometers. Guys, check out these military vehicles right here. First time actually seeing such vehicles in front of me. Only seen this in the movies. In real life, it's crazy how massive these things are. They're solid build. Check out the style right here. We have a Cessna Beechcraft over here. So guys, in this section we have all the UAE Air Force fighter jets and helicopters over here. We also have the Abu Dhabi Police and the Dubai Police helicopters. Let's check them out. This out, we have the UAE Air Force helicopter, and we are here touching it right now. It's an unreal feeling. Look at these machine guns. Like, we literally see all these in the movies, and seeing it in person. We have the US Air Force aircrafts as well. Let's go check them out. Oh my god, we have a flight that's landing. Check that out. We have a Boeing 747 that's landing. I guess that's a Boeing 747. Check that out. Yes, it is. Wow. Huge. Oh, I don't know what that is, but wow. That's Kalita Air. Behind me we have the F-16 fighter jet, which is one of the very famous fighter jets. And can you guys believe this thing is like 49 years old, and this belongs to the US Air Force, and like a quarter of F-16s that were produced belongs to the US Air Force. And we have one right in front of us. Just look at this thing, guys. We've literally seen this just on YouTube and on movies, but seeing it in person, it's a different, next level. Absolutely next level. Over here we have the US Air Force's C-130 Hercules. This is basically used for forest rescue operations and natural disasters rescue operations. C-130 Hercules. And this is actually from where it opens, and you can load anything inside. Basically, you can load trucks, jeeps. We have Tejas LA5027 that belongs to the Indian Air Force. A very, very proud moment. So guys, behind we have the Pradhan Air Express, which is India's newest all-cargo airline, and this is actually the world's first A320 converted freighter. It is a fully cargo aircraft. As you can see, there are no windows. Over there we have the Boeing business jet that's based on the Boeing 737. And yeah, so it's like a big private jet, but like based on the commercial jet, so it's quite huge. And we have more vlogs right there. This is the end to the vlog. We are ending the vlog with this jumbo jet right behind me, and the highlight had to be meeting more vlogs, Lana Rose and Mummy Mo. Like that was like the icing on the cake, and this video was just perfect. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.